I think individual SaaS companies, it's very possible for them to lose market value, go bankrupt, completely go bust.
And that's Dario Amodei, the man who just raised 65 billion to build the most powerful AI in the world right now. And he just said that your software stack is going to zero, is going bankrupt. No maybe, no eventually. He said completely, and he said exactly who is going to survive this huge shift and who doesn't. I've pulled the most important moment from 4 different CEO interviews to have clarity on this important topic, to give you a clearer picture who is going to survive, what are the direction to take, and what's actually happening right now, and what to do about it. Subscribe if you're new, and let's go into it.
I think there are incumbents today that are going to see very clearly, we have a lot of moat here, the moats here are going away, we're really going to pivot, and we'll do better than we did before. And there are others who are not going to pay attention, who are going to be blindsided, and they're going to have a really bad time.
2 types of companies: those who see it coming and they pivot, and who get blindsided. And Dario just told us which one you are allowed to be. So let's break down what exactly this means, starting with what already happening in the market right now.
What you got to have is some unique IP that is not shared.
Okay.
So I'll give you an example. A company called DocuSign, right? All the things that we sign, you would think that's easy because there's other companies, Adobe and others, who do all that. But it's a global company, and all the laws associated with signing a legal document are different from city to city, to state, to country to country. And you have to know all those things. So that's a unique differentiation that you don't want to be dependent on the AI having rights. So that's an example. If a company has IP that as part of their software, and when I say IP, not just, okay, our software is a little better, faster, cheaper, more, this is a database of things that you can't get anywhere else, that they're not making available to AI to be trained on. It's their classified information. Then I think those companies will be okay. If they just, if they're just sold by the seat, and it's just a standardized piece of software, they're in deep doo-doo.
Cuban named DocuSign as one of example of companies with a real IP moat. Proprietary data, regulatory complexity backed in across every city, every state and country. That's not something an AI agent can replicate in an afternoon. But what about the rest? What happens when everyone can build a software in 12 minutes?
When it's all said and done over the next 3 years, there's going to be 2 types of companies. Those who are great at AI and those who went out of business.
2 types, and that's it. And you can already see it happening in the biggest company in the world. JPMorgan, one of the largest, most conservative bank on earth, just told us exactly how they are going to restructuring around this right now.
There may be more people in AI jobs and less people in certain jobs, so it'll all morph, but that's our job to serve the client.
Dimon is not an optimist, is not a tech optimist. He does not use words carelessly. He is one of the most conservative, risk-averse CEOs on the planet, and he is restructuring around this right now. If the world's most cautious banker is moving, the question isn't whether you should move, it's whether you already started or not. Have you already started? This is the important question. And how are you restructuring around this really important AI wave? Before the playbook, a quick one. You know the AI shift is moving fast, but you're still wasting hours manually pulling content together instead of iterating. Newsletterly fixes that. Go from a blank page to a curated newsletter in minutes. Get your time back to build your actual moat. Grab the lifetime deal in the description. Buy it once, own it forever. All right, let's get into the playbook. So here's the playbook. 4 moves based on exactly what these CEOs are actually doing, not what actually are saying in their press release. And I'm going to give you the exact framework for each one of them.
60% of our code is now authored by AI, but engineers work with the code and they're prompting it and they're checking it. Our customer service, 40% of contacts are now resolved by AI assistant.
First, audit every SaaS tool in your stack and ask one question. Does this tool have proprietary data or regulatory complexity the AI genuinely cannot replicate? If the answer is no, start looking for the AI native alternative right now. I'm sure there are gonna be much cheaper and faster way to do that task. Not next quarter, right now, because the windows that Dario is talking about is already closing. Second, your team structure. Airbnb CEO said, pure people manager won't survive. I say again, pure people managers won't survive. Dimon said he is hiring AI people and fewer bankers. Your organizational chart is about to become obsolete. Every manager needs to manage AI agent now, as well as people.
And in the future, of course, there'll be people managers, but a pure people manager, as in somebody who's not steeped in the work, is not going to be as valuable. The reason why is the following. A lot of managers' jobs were communication. They were coordination. They were moving information throughout the company. But AI now moves information faster than people. So ultimately, you want people to be closer to the information. Additionally, managers aren't just going to be managing people, they have to manage agents. And so I think you're going to see these hybrid managers of managing people and agents. And so people are calling them like player coaches. And so ultimately, I just think all leaders are going to have to be a little more hands-on and manage not just the people, but manage people by managing the work that the people do.
You want now people that are really proficient with these AI tools. Every rule needs an AI component. Third, IP is now your only moat. Cuban was explicit. Publish nothing. Sell your proprietary data. Don't give it to the model for free. If your business has unique data, unique processes, unique customer relationship, protect them like the moat they are. The moment you publish them, every model trains on it. You are handling your competitive advantage to your competitor. Fourth, iterate really fast, faster than AI can copy you.
Whoever learns how to use the tools the best. Whoever realizes that the operative word, the key word in an AI world is iterate. As the tools change, you have to keep on iterating continuously, recognizing you're going to get smarter, your employees are going to get smarter, your customers are going to get smarter, agents will communicate and they'll be smarter. So you have to be in a position. As an entrepreneur, I know what it's like to, have thresholds that we all try to hit. I got $500,000 in sales. Yeah. Get $1 million in sales. Yeah. Making money, yeah, up to 10 employees, yeah. And then you start thinking, okay, I've got this company down, my customers like me, but in an AI universe, you more so than now, you're going to have to continuously improve because anybody can come in and say they're not improving, they don't understand this new tool, and so I'm going to go compete with them.
Cuban said, iterate, not optimize, iterate, not plan, iterate. The company that survive will iterate really fast and keep adapting to the super fast-paced environment. The company that are gonna survive are the company that can improve faster than AI can copy their software stack. So continuous improvement is now your competitive advantage. And this is what also we are working with our stack, allowing companies to create us an improvement loop that will make companies extremely efficient. And we'll reveal this in the following months with what we are building to provide you the stack necessary to build a self-improving company. But this will be for the next time. I will keep you posted on this development. Dario Amodei said companies they will go bankrupt completely. He also said And this is the part people miss. Some will pivot and do better than they ever did before. The window still open. But Dario, talking about Chinese AI, he said that in 6 to 12 months, they will be catching up. The company that they are going to be fine, they're already moving right now. They're already iterating really fast, testing new way of working with AI. So the question, what are you doing in your business right now to adopt AI for this coming wave of AI disruption? So tell me, which of those 4 moves is more urgent for your business right now? Audit, restructure, protect your IP, or iterate? Faster. Tell me in the comment. I will respond to all of them. I'm really interested to understand how are you adopting AI in your business and what are your challenges right now. I hope this video gave you some great insight. So please, if you are new, subscribe. And we do this every week. We break down top AI CEO to bring you value and get ready to this coming wave of AI innovation. See you to the next one.